Yes. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe for a video on crypto every single day. My name's Austin. Great to have you guys checking in today. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I've pulled a couple headlines for us. I want to clue you guys in what's happening with cryptocurrency that's making the news today. Stay tuned for that, but first, let's go over the market. This is the market right now as it stands in cryptocurrency, at least at the time of recording. The market cap seems to be leveling off at $300 billion, which is very positive, small signs of hope. And yeah, we touched 300 billion over the last few days, but hopefully this is another level, another step in Bitcoin and the market's steps upward that we've been seeing in the last month. And Bitcoin right now seems to be leveling off at the low 8,000s. Actually, guys, let's go back to market cap, because as I said, the market cap right now is at 300 billion. But what does that mean? Really, what does that mean? Well, let me put it in perspective for you guys, because that's why you guys subscribe to the channel, because we try and offer this perspective on this emerging market. So I want to show you guys something. This is a chart of the total market capitalization over the last year. So all the money that's in crypto, it's over the last year, that's charted right here. And as I said, right now we're at about $300 billion right now. Well, this might seem low, it might seem lame and in the doldrums if you're kind of on the outskirts of cryptocurrency, because yes, in January of this year, we are at one time almost hitting $1 trillion at $800 billion, and we've only sunk lower. But let's zoom in. Let me offer this perspective. Yes, right now around 300 billion. Well, the last time we were here was around the beginning of June, so about 2 months ago, June 10th roughly. We were at $300 billion market cap. And back then, we were on our way down. We didn't know how low we were going to go. And it seems, fingers crossed, that we're on the rise. It seems like we're forming these little steps, getting ready for a bull run. And like I said, the last time we were here was June, and that was from a drop at a level at the time of around 340 billion. So that's the next step that I'm seeing for us. Right now we're at 3 billion. If we can get back to 340 billion, where we were at the end of, actually the very beginning of June, that's the next step I think we're shooting for. Hopefully, who knows? I'm just a guy, here at the channel. We're not financial advisors. We're just two brothers that are very passionate about cryptocurrency. We've made, a good amount of money the last year, hoping to make a whole lot more. But again, I know you guys are out there making your own decisions. Anyway, I just wanted to offer you guys that perspective on market cap. And let's check this out. Actually, let's check out Bitcoin over the last 3 months. And yes, as I said, okay, Bitcoin is at 8,200 now, making very clear positive steps up. But here's the thing, team. Have you guys noticed this? As we get this huge influx of cash in the market, Bitcoin has been seeing great gains, while these altcoins, they've either stayed the same or some of them have lost. Yeah, some are in the green, some are in the red, but I'm talking over the last week, roughly. Some of them have lost market capitalization, while Bitcoin has never been greater. Is this the end of altcoins? Is this the end of altcoins? Let me offer this perspective. Check this out, guys. This is Bitcoin dominance, and at any time, any of us can go on coinmarketcap.com and see Bitcoin dominance. Right now, Bitcoin takes up about 47% of all the money in crypto. 47%. And this is a chart of all time, way back from 2013, many years ago. And at the time, Bitcoin has always been around 90% market cap. It dropped maybe as low as 70, 80, 90, and it really wasn't until the beginning of this year, 2018, that Bitcoin dropped as low in the 30s for dominance in the market. Still dominant, but it was the lowest it ever got. And like I said, right now we're at 47% roughly, and check this out. Bitcoin, very clearly on the rise. These altcoins are taking a dip. Is this the end of altcoins? Well, let's look back at history. As you can see, this is January, January, January. Historically, every time at January, end of the year, or the beginning of the year, we've always hit that bull run. You know, that's marked by these spikes. Spike in January, spike a little after January, spike a little after January. And this was the big bull run. We saw tons of cash in the market around here. Bitcoin lost a lot of dominance, but we saw a ton of cash. But check this out. It seems every time before we have these big major bull runs, the altcoins drop, while Bitcoin remains dominant. The altcoins drop, Bitcoin remains dominant, and then of course the altcoins spike and continue to grow. And just this last year, the altcoins looked like they were dropping. Bitcoin was hella dominant, as they say in Seattle, and of course that led on to, you know, the greatest bull run we have seen thus far in cryptocurrency. So in my humble opinion, no, these are small little signs of hope, small little signs that the bull run might be just around the corner. Anyway, team, I hope you guys got some value out of that. I have news articles, stuff that is making news in the last 24, 36 hours that I want to clue you guys in with. So let's check out those right now. Just a little reminder, if you got any value, please feel free, go to that like button and hit like right now. It just helps us grow as a channel. That's why you guys subscribe, just to be clued in on the market. So if you could go in and just hit that like button, I would just really appreciate it. Your call, you know, you're making your own decisions, as I said, but let's keep going. 3 news articles, team, 3 news articles. First one, Coinbase. Seems to be in the news quite a lot recently. This is great news out of Coinbase, announcing a new way to spend your Coinbase crypto, gift cards. So this is starting today. Coinbase customers in the EU and Australia are able to instantly spend their crypto balances on gift cards, making Coinbase the first trading platform to offer direct withdrawals into gift cards. So what could you spend this on? Well, they partnered with wegift, and now if you have a Coinbase account and you're in the EU or Australia, you can spend it on over 100 retail locations, including Nike, Tesco, Uber, Ticketmaster, Google Play, Zalando, and many more. Over 100 actually. You know, the big ones are Nike, Uber, Ticketmaster. So say what you want about Coinbase. You know, you love them or hate them, but who has done more for the cryptocurrency community in the last month? Let me know in the comments. I can't think of one more person. Ticketmaster. I might go see that new Mission Impossible movie. I'll admit that. I'm sometimes not into those, you know, big action-packed superhero movies, but the new trailer looks really good. Let's keep going. Let's learn a little bit more about this bullish news. Customers purchasing an gift card will enjoy 0 Coinbase withdrawal fees, no fees, and bonuses on select gifts from converting Bitcoin into Uber credits, let's say, or Ether into a Nike shopping spree. Customers will have greater flexibility and control over how they use their crypto. So if you're wondering where it's located, more specifically, the UK, Spain, France, Italy, Netherlands, Australia, and of course they will be expanding further. Now, full disclosure, team, the majority of our audience, maybe the dominance of our audience is in the States, the US, where I am. You know, me and my brother, we live in Los Angeles right now. But coming up at number 2 or 3 is Europe and Australia. So you guys can do this right now. Let me know in the comments if you've bought an Uber with Bitcoin, you know, Uber gift card or Nike gift card with Ether, you know, whatever it is. I'll be responding to you guys in the comments per usual. And if you guys want to do this right now, you can go to wegift.io/Coinbase. I'm going to put this little thing in the description, so check out below. Let's keep going. Quick piece of news. Binance also stated that its clients, okay, cool. So vechain just switched. They had their little token swap to vechain Thor mainnet. So then, it hasn't changed on CoinMarketCap yet, so expect this to change soon. Then has changed to VET. If you kept your coins on certain exchanges like Binance, they've switched them out. Go in there and check it out. But in terms of what happened, Binance, every client, you know, if the exchange did the swap for you, for every 1 VEN token you owned, you get 100 VET tokens in exchange. So it's going to look like you're rich based on tokens, but it's going to be the exact same worth in money, just a whole lot of tokens. So be on the lookout, guys. Check that out. Last piece of news. Check this out. Huge news. Huge. Andrew Yang, who's running for president in 2020, campaign can now accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto. Whoa. This is big. This is big. Now, guys, I have no clue. Here's Alan Yang, a U.S. presidential candidate, author of The War of Normal People. Interesting. I know nothing about his politics. I know nothing. He's a Democrat, but that's it. I know nothing about the issues that he's running on, but he's accepting Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Is this going to be an advantage to him? I think it will a little bit, because if we all remember, 50 Cent accepted Bitcoin on his album back in the day, and he forgot about it. And then he came to learn, I think it was end of 2017, 2018, that just the people that sent Bitcoin on his album, he's now worth over $7 million. Or I mean, that money that he has is worth $7 million. And, this election's not till 2020, so if you donate, to this guy's campaign now, you could really help the guy out. Who knows? Anyway, those are the 3 pieces of info I wanted to offer you guys. Again, please consider giving this video a like if you got some value out of it. Who knows? I hope you guys do. My name's Austin. This has been Altcoin Daily. We'll see you tomorrow.